Hello everyone, I hope you're all ready for the holidays. I had a couple of different ideas for last minute gifts that we're ready to ship out from our spa. One is the Turmeric Vitamin C Oil. It's a light, beautiful oil that can be used all over the face and the body if you want to add it to your favorite moisturizer. It's absolutely beautiful. This one can be found also on Amazon under Joli Visage Skin and Care. The second really wonderful home treatment device, professional level, is our LED blue and red light with ultrasonic technology. This is a game changer. It is so wonderful on the skin, and we can ship that out to any loved one and have it packaged ready for the holidays for you. And lastly, the absolute smoother Crepe skin. There's a coupon on Amazon for this, and so just go to Joli Visage Skin and Care on Amazon, and your loved one will really love the lactic acid and the niacinamide mixed with shea butter. It's sodium lactate, so it's going to go in and it's going to absorb into the dry superficial layers and hydrate deeply. So just a few little last minute ideas for your family and friends. Thank you for watching.